Professor Dr. Ali Riaz, Vice President of the National Consensus Commission, has called on political parties to reach a swift decision within the next 10 days regarding the implementation of the National Charter. He made this appeal on the morning of July 21 during the second phase of the 16th day of discussion held at the Foreign Service Academy in the capital. In his speech, he emphasized that the Commission does not intend to impose any decision by force. If there is any disagreement on an issue, that too will be mentioned in the Charter. Dr. Ali Riaz further stated that the Commission is now at the decision-making stage on most matters. If political parties continue to cooperate, it will be possible to finalize the draft of the National Charter within this month. Participants in the discussion included Commission members Justice Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Dr. Iftakharuzzaman, Dr. Bodiul Alom Mujumdar, Safar Raj Choudhury, Dr. Ayub Mia and Chief Advisor Special Assistant Monir Haidar. Representatives from various political parties took part in today's discussions with the National Consensus Commission, including the BNP, Jamaite Islami, National Citizen Party NCP, Gano Adhikar Porishod, Gano Shanghoti Andolon, Communist Party of Bangladesh CPB, Revolutionary Workers Party and Amar Bangladesh AB Party. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.